Just look at us. Everything is backwards. Everything is upside down. Doctors destroy health, lawyers destroy justice, universities destroy knowledge, governments destroy freedom, the major media destroys information, and religions destroy spirituality. That's where we are.
Love forgive all the things that I think of. I'm just picking my mind to ease off. Too many doubts and questions to clear off. This church thing keeps looking like a rip-off. Bible says you don't sleep, never doze off. May I be a thorn on the throne you sit off. Cause when you stand up, people will be well off. Poverty killing Christians, you know off. They go to church always, not a day off. Give their money to the prophets we hear of, who don't believe in the heaven they preach of. Buying material things just to show off. I thought Christ came down to take the load off. So why some churches sucking our blood off? Why pastor feeds his dogs with jaw off? Church member drinks water to sleep off. Indoctrination has switched their brains off. They fear the preachers, what the people scared of. So their doubts and questions they can speak of. Many diseases and demons pastors pray off. We all see the blind lame people walk off. Coronavirus is here killing the world off. Oh no, miracle workers just run off. And the doors to the churches have been blocked up. Science telling religion to fuck off. Many atheists are made as a spin-off. Too bad many pastors will be laid off. Even the good ones we never had up, because the indoctrination gonna die off. Many good Christians gonna walk off, discovering all the lies they've been told off. You know, many pastors also sold off. For the money, they couldn't keep their eyes off. So the blood of the people want to feed off. Lord, please, your church needs to shake off. This is my prayer, perhaps a tip off. And if Christ is ready, please let it set off. Whoa, yeah, always wash your hands with soap and sanitizers. Stay home and avoid touching your face. Oh wow. Army, In and Out Entertainment, New Morning, #1 Records.